back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. It's going to be part-time. You can set your own schedule. It's got that flexible schedule, so it's more like a side hustle that you can work and make some extra money on the side in between other jobs and other responsibilities. I have featured this on this channel before, so we will dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always ask that you give me that direct feedback. If you enjoy these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up, like button. That does let me know that you're enjoying them. But the company is Gaggle. Now they work with K through 12 education schools, public school systems. They have 120 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content reviewer. Now I have actually gone through the application process of this job before, so I'll explain that kind of at the end. But what they're looking for is somebody to review content that's being posted online by K-12 students. You're going to monitor and analyze the student activity and content on the Gaggle platform, identifying any potentially inappropriate usage of words, phrases, statements, and images within email, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive. So you're making sure that they're not using profanity, that they're not talking about sensitive subjects like suicide and things like that. So you're going to process at least 250 items per hour while maintaining a high level of accuracy, and you'll escalate any questionable findings through the Gaggle safety team for additional in-depth analysis. You'll communicate and collaborate with your teammates via chat. So basically, you're just reviewing the content that has been posted online in the Google community by these students, making sure that it is okay to be there and is not something that should be flagged for removal. Now, as far as the application process, when I did it, I filled out a little bit of information about myself, and then they give you like this PDF guide or this guide to read through that tells you what they want flagged and what they consider okay. Then you actually take a quiz. They give you a few different examples, and you actually tell them whether you would flag it or whether you would say it's okay. It's kind of just like a little quiz or test, and then you move on. They are looking for someone who has experience with various computer and web-based applications, someone who has an interest in reading, because the position requires you to have great attention to detail in reading things. You need to have the ability to differentiate between potential harmful student matters and harmless situations, someone who has great communication skills and the ability to work independently. So no college degree is needed for this position. Now, one thing I do want to note, people who have watched this channel before, when I posted this job before, have been hired and have worked this job. So they do hire. I have had watchers of my channel be hired for this job before. The thing is, they're only paying, I think, about $10 an hour, if I remember correctly. So again, this is like a side hustle to make extra money. You've got Christmas coming up. You've got different things. Maybe you want to save up money for a family vacation. It's definitely going to be part-time, flexible schedule though, but that is something to know going into it. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's always okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Again, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.